Hello everybody, it's Dawngallop here again with Number 9 Farms, and today I want to show you something that I've been excited about to get to show you, as I had been basically down for a week and a half, 2 weeks. I hurt my tooth and I ended up having to get it pulled and da. Well, it's been taking a long time, so it actually came in the process of all that, and now I am finally going to get to unbox it, which I think Bruce has been more super excited about it than I am. We have actually had this on our wish list for like 5 years now. We have 2 pressure canners that are just the regular 21 quart, and now the Presto ones from Walmart, and we had some in the past because we've been pressure canning for more than 30 years, and now here's the moment. So here we go. This is the All-American heavy duty cast aluminum pressure canner cooker from the Wisconsin Aluminum Foundry, which is in Manitowoc, Wisconsin, and it's 41.5 quart, and it's also known as the Model 941. So here we go. The box says from UPS that it weighs 42 pounds, and of course they finally put heavy stickers all over it. Ta-da! Okay, Bruce, here we go. I don't think we're gonna be needing the knife now. Piece of styrofoam, cardboard and top, and now here is the moment that I think you're gonna have to come lift it out of the box. So here we go, Bruce.
Oh, it has handles.
Okay guys, there's nothing else left in the box. All right, and I'll talk about it now. Look at this. It is really, really heavy. I mean, it's way heavy. And basically you just want to unscrew it, let all the sides down. And this one is the no gasket, so it will be metal to metal. And what you will want to do is you're going to want to use the Vaseline, they say. And yes, I know it's not a food product, but it also makes a much better seal because your olive oil is basically just going to melt away. And you'll want to, this is the pressure weight. And this one has the little sides on it with the 5 and the 10 and the 15. So you're going to put that right on the part based on whatever pounds of pressure you want to have. It comes with the All-American Pressurecanner instruction and recipes book. So basically it has all the temperature gauges, and it comes with, of course, a little piece of plastic and 2 trays. 2, because this one holds 19, and that's it. There's nothing else left in the box. I mean, in the canner, but look how big this is. Huge! And it holds 19 quarts and how many pints?
32 pints.
32 pints. So there you have it, guys. So now the big thing is we're now going to finally get to use it and get all our pressure canning done in one step. And since we have ordered a gas stove, which is going to be pure excitement, as we have only had electric stoves because Bruce didn't want to run a gas line up. I'm gonna throw that in. And now we have this little thing that we're gonna be cooking on right here. So now we're back with the how we're gonna be cooking on it. So this is perfect. We also got this for other uses and things that we need to do outside for the farm. And this is actually fits really perfect. We bought this from Amazon, and we also bought this from Amazon. I had ordered this from Walmart, and all it kept saying was undeliverable, undeliverable. So I called them, and they gave me my money back, and I went ahead and just bought it from Amazon. I don't know why Walmart couldn't come through for it, but that's okay. We got this one now. And here we go with this, and this is going to hook up to the propane, and we're going to do this outside, and there's enough room to run our other pressure canner too at the same time. So now we will get all the pressure canner done. Yay! Thank you for watching.